Top 5 Best Nail Wraps. Say goodbye to boring nails. Regular polish can be messy, but these nail wraps are easy to apply, long-lasting, and less expensive than a regular manicure. Plus, they never look patchy or uneven. Here you'll find a wide array of designs, including sparkling holographic options that will have your friends asking which salon you go to. You can choose whether or not to reveal this time and money-saving trick. JODSONE Gel Nail Polish Kit with UV Light. "14 Sheets Nail Stickers Glitter Gradient." Ahora Semi-Cured Gel Nail Strips. Moyu London Semi-Cured Gel Nail Strips. Visit our site reviewparks.com, link in the description box. Like, comment,